W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw some favors for a New Year's celebration. We only need 4 basic lines and shapes to make this. An oval, an arc, a square, and a line. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? Let's start off with our oval, which will be the top of the top hat. The top of the top hat. Right about here. And next, we're going to make 2 lines. 1, and then 2. We're going to have them angle inward just a little bit. And then we're going to make another arc right down here. Connect those lines. Next, we'll make another arc across here, and that will be the ribbon that goes around the hat. Next, we're going to make 2 arcs, and we're going to join the arcs. It's going to look like, here, I'll show you. We're going to make the brim of the hat. We'll start right here, and we'll make an arc that comes around and stops. And then, ooh, I made that a little wonky. Let's see if I can fix that. We're going to come over here. We're going to start an arc right over here, and then join it to that arc. Now let's see if I can fix that. It's good to see when somebody makes a mistake to figure out how we can fix our mistakes, right? Because I don't want that line in the drawing. So what I'm going to do is actually let's make this line a little thicker right here, and look at that. All of a sudden the mistake is gone. Now we can make this line thicker afterwards to match that, but let's keep going. Okay, next we're going to make the party favor. This is like a noise maker, and we're going to start with a line right here, and then we're going to have an oval at the top. So let's start at the line. We'll have an oval come around and then join back here, and then we'll have another line on this side over this way, and then stop, and then we'll join it at the bottom with an arc. And then we can have 2 lines on either side here, and then another line join them. And this is the mouthpiece. This is the part that you blow through, and then it makes a whole bunch of noise. So to decorate this, we're going to make some arcs that'll look like spirals going around it. So 1 arc, another arc, and then we'll do 2 more arcs, and then 2 more arcs. So we have 3 of these stripes that are going around in a spiral all the way down. Okay, next we're going to add a bunch of confetti. And the confetti is going to be small squares. So we make these squares just like this, and you can place them all around your drawing. Now, if at any point you need to pause this video to catch up, just hit pause, catch up to where we're at, or rewind it and watch it again, and then just join us back where we are. And then we can finish the drawing together. I'm just making a whole bunch of these pieces of confetti. This is going to be a very fun party. Maybe if you have a New Year celebration that you're going to, maybe you can make this drawing as a decoration for your party. I'm just going to make a whole bunch of these. This is going to be a very big mess to clean up after all of this confetti. That's fun, to have a whole bunch of confetti, and then you can see how long it takes you to clean it all up. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of confetti. Now let's add some arcs to make it look like there's fireworks in the background. We're just going to make some arcs, and then we're going to make maybe a little square at the end of the arc, right there. And then we'll do some more arcs up here with a little square right there. And then we'll make more arcs up here, maybe this one's a line, and then this one's an arc going the other way. And then we can put a little square, just like that. And then 3 more. Maybe this one's an arc, and then another arc there, with a square, and a square, square. Just like that. And then out of our noisemaker, we should have 3 lines coming out for noise that it's making. So 1, 2, 3. That's making noise. And now let's fix the thick black outline that's around the brim of our hat. We can make a thick black outline around the rest of the hat. And then it'll make it look like it's all the same outline, just like that. And we can do that around our noisemaker. There we go. All right. Happy New Year! Look at our drawing! Fantastic job following along. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.